scared?
Because I just had a nightmare.
What was it about?
Mommy, I can't tell you.
But you already told me.
I can't.
Did the guy burp?
Yeah.
What did he do?
Nothing, I can't tell you. I'm really scared.
You're scared? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were really scared. Okay, do you know what we should do? What did the guy look like?
He looks like he was burping everywhere.
Okay, we're gonna get him. Okay?
It's in my nightmare.
Oh, honey. It's in your nightmare? Can I get him in your nightmare? This is what I'm gonna do. While you're sleeping, I'm gonna go to your room and get inside your head and gonna talk to that guy.
He might burp.
He will?
He might burp at you.
Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna punch him. I'm gonna hit him.
Punch him in the head.
Yeah! I'm gonna do it!
And cover his mouth.
Okay, I will. And he'll never burp on anyone again, huh? Yes!
And say, be nice, Mr. Burpee.
Yes, I will. I will say that. See, we're not scared of the burp man. All right? Do you need anything that will help you? What?
A stuffed animal that can help you.
A stuffed animal? Do you need anything else in your room? What?
A dream catcher.
Oh, a dream catcher? Okay, what do dream catchers do?
They make you not get scared of anything.
All right, we're going to make one of those, okay?
Okay.
And we're going to get that burp man. All right?
Okay.
Say, let's do it!
Let's do it.
No more bad dreams! Yay! Guess what?
What?
I love you.
Love you too.